Hello, friends of Sanskrit. Now we start the 15th lesson. Panchadashaha Padhaha. Here we can have an introduction to infinitive in Sanskrit. This is very interesting to see the similarity of infinitive of Latin, English, and Sanskrit. In Latin, to form the infinitive, tum is added in the end. Amare to love, amatum to love. Amo I love, amatum to love. Faccio to do, factum to do. So also in Sanskrit too, in the ending is tum. Tumun is the suffix added to the verb. In English, to is added as a prefix to do, to sing, to go, etc. But Latin and English are similar in forming tumun or infinitive. Drish is the root of to see. Drish, drashtum, to see. Gam, to go. Gandum. Gandum shakyam, gandavyam. Drashtum shakyam, that is possible to be seen. Drashtavyam. Drashtum shakyam, drashtavyam. Shri, to hear. Shrinodi, shrodum, to hear. Shrodum shakyam, shrodavyam. Padhidum sadhyam or shakyam is padhidavyam. That should be studied. Padhyam, that also is used. Padhyam or padhidavyam. Padhidam shakyam. Pibadi, pa, to drink. Pibadi, to drink. Padum, to drink. Padum shakyam, payam, potable. Khadadi, to eat. Khadyam. Khadidum shakyam, khadyam. Padum shakyam, padyam. Lihadi. Lihu plus tumun, lihidum. Lihidum shakyam, lihidavyam. Tumun or infinitive is essential to understand the meaning of a sentence. So many infinitive forms will occur in conversation, passages, and